Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another healthy 5-ingredient recipe for you.
Okay, so first I'm going to make my miso mayo. So I've got half a cup of mayo that I've made using my stick blender recipe, which is in the Stone Soup app. But you can use any mayo you like. Then I've got 2 teaspoons of, I'm using white miso paste, which is also called shiro miso. It's the mildest flavor, so you can use other misos. You probably just might not need as much. So I'm just going to stir that through. So for our Japanese burgers, I've got half a kilo, which is a pound of minced beef, ground beef. And I've got 4 green onions that I've finely sliced. You could use less if you wanted a bit less green oniony. And then I'm going to get into teaspoons of miso paste again, a bit more generous this time. And then I'm just going to use my hands. It's the best way, really. They're clean, I promise. Just to mix that all through. I'm going to form it into burger patties. So because I've got 1 hungry Irishman and 2 small boys to cook for, I'm going to form it into 5 patties. So I'll have 1, my Irishman will have 2, and then I'll make 2 smaller ones for the boys. But yeah, you could make 2 or you can make 4, however many, 3 if you wanted to, however many you want to make, depending on how hungry you are. Handful of mint, just form it into patties like so. I'm going to put them on a chopping board. So I ended up with 6, but that's all good. So just going to give them a little drizzle of oil and just try and squish them down a bit so that they're all the same height. So I've got 2 small ones here for the boys, 2-year-old and a 5-year-old size. But as long as they're the same height, they'll cook in about the same time. But yeah, good drizzle of oil. Turn them over. More oil. Okay, and then we'll get ready to cook. Great, so when your pan's nice and hot, you can see it's pretty smoking. It's going to get the burgers, the well-oiled burgers in. So I'm going to cook them on I'm turning the heat down to kind of medium high, and I'm going to cook them for 4 or 5 minutes on each side. Great, so burgers are nicely well done, so I'm going to get them off the heat. And I've just divided the miso mayo between 2 plates. So just get small boys' burgers out first. And I'm going to serve this with some wilted spinach. So I'm going to cook that in the lovely pan juices here. So just a bag of baby spinach. This is quite a big bag, so I probably won't use all of it. But you could just serve with fresh spinach if you like, or salad greens, or green beans, like whatever green veggies you feel like. So just want to stir this. So I just cook it until it's a little bit wilted, but it's not, crazy, completely cooked through, just a bit warmed up. I'm just going to keep cooking. Just scrape up any yummy bits from the pan, and they get mixed in with the spinach. And then just going to divide that between 2 plates, and finish with a nice sprinkling of toasted sunflower seeds.
So if you enjoyed this recipe, really encourage you to come on over and visit my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and if you sign up for email updates, you get a free ebook filled with video recipes just like this one. Hope to see you soon.